Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix IHSS Portal login timeout error, troubleshooting step by step clearly. If you are facing a login timeout error on the IHSS Portal, follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. First, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Open your web browser and locate the settings menu. Find the option for clearing browsing data. Select cache and cookies, then confirm to clear them. Next, restart your web browser. Attempt to access the IHSS portal again. If the problem persists, try using a different web browser. Sometimes, browser compatibility can cause issues. If switching browsers doesn't help, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable and reliable internet connection. Consider resetting your router if your connection is weak. Next, disable any browser extensions that may interfere with the login process. Some extensions, like ad blockers, may cause issues with the IHSS portal. After disabling these, try logging in once more. If you are still experiencing timeout errors, ensure that your device's date and time are set correctly. An incorrect date or time can lead to security verification issues. You might also want to try accessing the portal from a different device. This can help determine if the problem is specific to your original device. If the timeout error continues, check for any scheduled maintenance announcements from the IHSS portal. Occasionally, the portal may be down for maintenance or upgrades. If none of these steps work, consider contacting IHSS support directly. They will have specific tools and information to assist you further. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the login timeout error on the IHSS portal effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.